Meet the car capsule, widely acclaimed as the ultimate vehicle storage system on the market today. Manufactured in Indianapolis, Indiana, this air-inflated enclosure could be the best way to seal your precious vehicle from rodents, rust, corrosion, dirt, dust, mildew, and musty odors. Whether you drive an ordinary sedan or a pricey classic, the car capsule can be counted on to protect your investment. With its simple design, setup couldn't possibly be any easier. Made from polymerized vinyl chloride, the car capsule also includes a sturdy base mat, zipper, and fan. The evaporative storage system eliminates stagnant odors by changing out the air 3 to 4 times per hour. The car capsule is available in several models, with versions for both indoors and outdoors. In use for over 20 years, the original car bubble is the company's staple design. With its updated pump and independent airframe, the luxury showcase model lets you drive your vehicle inside without ever making contact with the structure. To really show off your car, the signature showcase includes colored LED lighting. For those who prefer two-wheeled transportation, the bike bubble is perfect for motorcycles. If you'd prefer your car be seen but not touched, the car capsule is your go-to solution. Check out the load handler, a handy device that turns your pickup truck into a dump truck. The load handler lets you unload practically anything from your truck bed with ease, complete with adjustable metal brackets that built onto the tailgate of your truck. This insanely simple but useful device is incredibly easy to install and even easier to use. Basically, the load handler is a heavy-duty tarp rolled up on a wide hand crank cylinder. To use, start by unrolling the tarp into the bed of your truck and add whatever materials you need to carry. When you arrive at your destination, or whenever it's convenient, unloading is ridiculously easy. Simply let down your tailgate, turn the handle, and your cargo will instantly begin spilling out onto the ground. Because the load handler is entirely manually operated, you can take a break at any time. Otherwise, repeat until finished. The load handler is effective for loads weighing up to 3,000 pounds. While those craving physical punishment can always use a shovel, anyone of sound mind would probably prefer the load handler. Just saying. Introducing the Q18 from German company ProTech, billed as the first motorhome with dual full-body slide-out sections. While only 2.3 meters wide in its on-the-road configuration, the Q18 provides the riders with full access to its kitchen, shower, toilet, refrigerator, and bedrooms. Yet, once parked, this mind-blowing creation can be expanded to a generous 3.5 meters wide by expanding both its full-length slide-outs. At the touch of a button, you're instantly treated to 55% more living space. The Q18 is available in 2 models, with an option variation for each. First, the Q18 Classic includes a luxurious bedroom with a large double bed and 2 additional sleeping spaces, while the Classic Plus adds 2 more sleeping spaces for a total of 6. When expanded, both versions provide all the comforts of home. The 3 to 6 sleeping spaces of the Q18 Vario and the 5 to 8 offered by the Vario Plus make possible the repurposing of its rooms as you see fit. With its spacious, adaptable interior, this motorhome almost resembles a permanent residence. Though not depicted here, the rear can be configured for 2 height-adjustable garages below the rear sleeping area. Truly a revolution in motorhome design, the ProTech Q18 is the new definition of traveling comfort.
Are you listening? Damn.